Welcome back, guys. Made it to Mayfield Bay. You watched last episode, we were headed this way. We're about an hour drive. Yeah, anyway, we pulled in and she's pretty crowded. It's Christmas, it's school holidays in Tassie, obviously, so everywhere's pretty full. We got what we could get, but I don't know if I feel that confident about it. We're sitting right up high at the front. There's not a whole lot of adjustment left there. And then we're nearly touching the ground back here. And then we got the old cruise master. She's we dropped the whole thing down to about 5 psi, which is bagged right out. Then we just had to pump one side up to level it, so we're maxed out anywhere we can. Anyway, what could go wrong? We're at the pointy end, so if we fall down, we're going to cop all the damage. The boys will just go up in the air. But anyway, I think we're just here for the night. We're going to catch up on a bit of work and get some filming and stuff done. And there's a cracking little beach across the road. We'll probably go and explore. I think Jet's going swimming now, but anyway, let's get stuck right into this one because we got a fair bit coming up in this one. We're heading up towards Wineglass Bay and all that sort of area, so let's do it.
So at this little campground we're at, there's some convict-built archways just down from the camp, and so I've come down to have a look. They are pretty cool. There's 3 little archways and it takes you to the beach, to this area here. So pretty cool that they're still standing in this day and age.
Check it. Bloody early bird gets the worm. We got up reasonably early this morning for us anyway, and we headed up to Friendly Beach Campground and managed to jag the only site left. East coast of Tassie at the moment is just chaos, so we've managed to jag the one and only site right next to the toilets, right next to the beach, just over here. Yeah, so weather's not real flash, but yeah, so we're gonna do a bit of a loop drive, check out a few things, but yeah, pretty stoked that we managed to jag some. We thought we dipped out when we first got here, and we're gonna have to go and come up with another game plan, but yeah, this is us for a few days, I reckon. We're gonna visit Wineglass Bay and Honeymoon Bay and some of the more iconic beaches and whatnot on the east coast of Tassie, so stoked on this that we're here. So anyway, we will go and see what we can come up with today. We're taking lunch with us, we're doing all the usuals. But yeah, happy days. The old ensuite site, too good. Alright, we'll go and see what we can come up with.
So we've just come up to the lookout at Friendly Beach Campground here to have a look at the lookout. So we'll see what the beach has to offer up here, and then we'll continue our exploring. Going for a bit of a drive today, so the weather's not that crash hot, so we'll spend it in the car having a look around at some of the towns, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll get some better weather to go check out this beach. Take a look at this, it's beautiful.
It's been a while. We've back on the waterfall trail.
I thought we left this weather on the west side.
Oh yeah, it seems to be whenever we go looking for waterfalls it decides to rain, but anyway, we've come out and done it. As you see, we set up camp and it was pretty miserable there too, so we just come and check this out, but check it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. This one's Meters Falls. It says at the start there that it's like a 20-minute walk. It would literally be 5 minutes in.
Yeah, not that far.
But yeah, it's a nice easy little walk. Couple of steps at the end, but yeah, pretty cool. And then you can walk right down to the river. So if it was a nice day, you could bring your towels and stuff and you can walk right down to the river. There's rock pools and stuff down there, but it's not a nice day and we don't have towels, so we're not going to do it. But yeah, anyway, this one's cool.
Yeah, we might head back up before the rain gets heavier and go and check out the next one.
Yeah, it's about 10k down a dirt track, and then when you get to the end of this track, across the road on the other side there's another one, so we'll go hit that one up.
Always takes too long, not too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good run, yeah, a good run, but the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on. I got things to do, all without you. Tell me how I can make this easier, yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get too hurt, there's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words, no. I'm done with getting...
So we've kind of lost at the Lost Falls.
Then ripped off. Follow all the signs of Lost Falls and no, they're lost. You can't find the bloody things.
You guys just got ripped off. We drive half an hour here and we get ripped off.
Nice view, but no falls.
The falls
So there are some rock pools at this one as well, so we may need to head down the rock pool track to find the falls.
Maybe that's where they're lost.
I do hear water.
The things we do.
Daddy, I do hear water.
Yeah, I hear water, but I don't see falls.
Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my...
We made it down to the rock pools, as you can see, and still no major falls. Unless it's down there and you can't see it, but anyway. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we're just looking in the wrong spot, and they are well and truly lost to us, but...
If it was a nice hot day, there's some nice rock pools here. We could have had a swim in.
And going a bit more exploring, but it's not. It's raining and foggy and cold. And we aren't getting any wet than we already are. Anyway, we're going to go back to the car, find somewhere to cook up some lunch. We're all hungry. As you've seen yesterday, we've got a cracking little campsite here. But what we want to know, drop it down in the comments, how close is too close? So these guys pulled in beside us late last night, but how close do you reckon is too close? Do you reckon they just pulling the piss or what? They did not care where they pulled up, what they done, they just pulled in. Like, I don't care really, but show a little bit of respect for other people. Like, we can't even put our car near our van and we can't even really get out, to be honest. If we wanted to pull the van out, I'd have to go and ask them to move. But anyway, how close is too close? Let us know. So along with 76,000 other people, we've come up to Wineglass Bay this morning to check it out. It's a nice drive in here, but bloody hell, there's some people. They're obviously in the national parks, they need your national park passes. There seems to be kind of enough parking in here, but you can't bring your vans or anything up here. You've got to drop them off down the road. But yeah, you know, we'll go and find, I think we're only going to go up to the lookout, because apparently to walk into actual Wineglass Bay itself is about 3 hours or something, which we're just not up for this morning. And yes, I'll probably walk up to the lookout and have a look, see when we get wherever we're getting, because we don't really know at this point. We're going to go find some signage. So we found the signage, realised that we were nowhere near enough equipped enough to do the walk into Wineglass Bay, so the boys wanted to go snorkeling. We went to Honeymoon Bay, done a bit of snorkeling and checked out Freycinet National Park for the morning. Update. We got to Wineglass Bay. The walk in there says 3 hours return, a grade 3. We're not really equipped for it, so we come out of there. Boys just went for a bit of a snorkel. We've just come down to Coles Bay and it is absolute mayhem. Yeah, there are people everywhere. It's, I don't know, it's not, doesn't really look like that much fun, to be honest, to us. There's just people everywhere, and so we're just having a bit of a drive around, but we're going to probably go back tomorrow morning and a bit more suitable for walking and do Wineglass Bay and whatnot. But yeah, there's the Freycinet National Park, I think is how you say it. Like, obviously it's Christmas holidays and summer over here, but it is absolute chaos. So yeah, like I said, we're just having a bit of a cruise around now. We might head back to the van and we'll come back tomorrow and do the Wineglass Bay walk, because yeah, there's nowhere to park anywhere. There's just people everywhere. Yeah, anyway, we might get out of here and come and try again tomorrow, see if there's a few less people. I doubt it, but we'll see. Where are we, dear?
Take 2 at Wineglass Bay lookout walk.
We're back. So we checked out the weather, and tomorrow's going to be shit house apparently, so we're
back up here this afternoon. We
come back up, we've dressed in more appropriate walking attire.
I didn't know it was going to be a grade 3. It says grade 3, 1.5 hour to 2 hour walk or something.
So basically we're heading up there somewhere, we think. So yeah, we didn't really come prepared this morning. So anyway, we're back and we're going to try it again. It's now about 1:30, 2 o'clock. But
mind you, we haven't had internet for the last couple of days, so we haven't been able to research a lot. So
yeah, so now let's try this again. After much ado about nothing, that was a nothing walk. It's a lot of uphill, but nothing compared to what we've already done. The one and only the infamous Wineglass Bay. So we probably could have done this morning dressed how we were, but anyway, like we said before, the signs in Tassie are a bit generous with their
walking times.
hiking adventures. So anyway, there she is. Yeah, not a lot of people up here, which is nice. You can walk right down to it, but it's another probably 3k, I think it says, 3 or 4, something along those
An hour and
lines.
a half.
Yeah, so.
To the beach.
But anyway, that's that done. Tick that off the list, and
Keep on going.
we'll get back down to the car now and work out what we're doing for the rest of the day. We might end up even packing up and taking off tonight, I think. But we'll see. Let you know when we get back to the car.
So we just got back down to the car. Probably took us about probably an hour when we stopped
Yeah.
up there and looked around at the lookouts and
No.
things like that.
Nowhere near what they said, but
Yeah.
but yeah, being true to us, when we started this channel, we said we would make it honest in our opinion on everything. But
Honest review.
think
It's
it's-
not worth the hype. It's a bit
yeah, I
underwhelming.
think it's pretty overrated, to be honest. The whole Freycinet National Park, it's not really done it for us. Remember, this is our opinion.
Yeah.
Get out and definitely get out and do it for yourself and make your own judgment on it. But
And we've definitely done it because it's a must-do thing.
yeah, it's one of those things you have to.
While
just-
you're over in Tasmania.
you can't come to Tassie and not do Wineglass Bay, but from all the hype and the whatnot, yeah, I don't know, a bit overrated for us. There's just heaps of people here. You got to walk to the lookout. The bloody bay itself's like 5 kilometres, 6 kilometres away.
The roads in here too, and into Coles Bay, the town and things, they're not crash hot.
Yeah, just I don't know, just way too touristy and
of
overpopulated,
people.
and
Yeah.
just no, that's just our opinion. But definitely 100% get out and do it yourself and make your own judgment of it. But you know,
Anyway, good
glad
walk.
glad we done it. It was
We've done our exercise for the day.
yeah. So we'll get back in the car and go back to camp. And
Yeah.
probably not. The boys are asking us for a milkshake, but
No.
I don't think we're gonna do that. No, right. Would have said
today.
back. Would have said straight back to camp. Yeah, anyway, like I said, that's just our honest review on Freycinet National Park and Wineglass Bay. But we can tick it off the list.